equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To maintain your Lenovo tower, start by gathering your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a can of compressed air, and a microfiber cloth. First, power down your device and unplug it. Remove the side panel using the screws at the back. This gives you access to the internal components. Next, use the compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and heatsinks. Dust can cause overheating, so this step is crucial. Wipe down surfaces with the microfiber cloth for a thorough clean. Now, visually inspect the components. Look for any loose cables or signs of wear. If you notice anything unusual, consider a professional diagnosis without obligation. Reassemble the tower by replacing the side panel and securing it with screws. Remember, if you need assistance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Before any repair, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Regular maintenance can extend the life of your Lenovo tower, keeping it running smoothly. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.